interior is done, baby. Woof. Holla at your boy.
Show them the trunk and the gas tank. This is oil tank and a gas tank.
All sway, all sway.
You don't even want to put nothing in the trunk. That shit is so sexy.
KO Custom Whips, 3855 Boston Road. Holla at us.